I'd like to thank you very much for finding time to attend this event this afternoon. It's a community engagement, a time for His Excellency the Vice President to meet with the Nigerian community in Canada and spend some time listening to you, listening to your concerns, the issues that you may have on your mind, things that you might like to talk about. There are those who said that the High Commission made a concerted effort to invite only their friends to this event to ensure that we only hear positive things. I'd like to assure you that there's no such thing. We tried to get broad-based representation from different parts of Canada and all the provinces as much as we possibly could. So we're looking forward to an interesting session. His Excellency is coming to Canada at this time. It's very, very important to us. We haven't had a visit on this magnitude in quite some time. Other people came in the past. They came to Toronto and took part in events, but this actually is an event whereby the Vice President has come to Ottawa, which is the seat of government, and actually has been hosted by the Deputy Prime Minister, so this is important. The relationship between Canada and Nigeria is a very, very important one. It's stable, on a solid footing, and waxing stronger all the time with collaboration in diverse areas. And so it's important that this relationship be nurtured by visits such as this. His Excellency made it very clear that he would want to have time with the diaspora, people who are here, to hear them, to feel their pulse, and to engage with them, which is why this meeting is taking place. So I'd like to say we're glad you're here. Thank you for taking the time to come. I know some of you have come from far away. I know some have come from as far as British Columbia, and so we welcome you. This will be a good session.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to very quickly, because I really would wish that this would be as interactive as possible, so I don't really intend to make any speech, just that I must say welcome before I take your questions and your comments. But just to say how very honored I am that I'm able to meet with you today. And as I've heard, there are people from practically everywhere. You know, it's also good to know that many still remember the national anthem. Although I suspect I heard some people singing Nigeria with hate. It's okay, I think by and large, everyone, at least could sing the national anthem. I bring you also very, very warm greetings from Nigeria, and especially from our President Muhammad Buhari. I emphasize the warm, of course. I wish I could have packaged that warmth and brought it all the way here. I mean, this is cold. And I was told, by the High Commissioner and several others who live here that I've come at even a very good time. So I think this is very, I'll be out of here in a few days. Because I'm told that it can even get much colder than this. But just to say how deeply grateful I am that you made the time to come. And to also say that, as you know, there are so many challenges that our country is going through, several different challenges, and also how that we're doing a lot to tackle those various challenges, economy, security, so many other issues here and there. But I think the most important thing for us is that we're engaged and that on a daily basis we're trying to resolve these issues. But I'm sure that a lot of that will emerge as we ask and answer the questions or comments that you have. So just to say welcome and thank you very much for making the time to come. Thank you.